What is the nostalgia effect? So nostalgia and the sentimental effect has actually been known to increase our desire for social connection and decrease our desire for money and material possessions. Naturally, marketing companies have picked up on this and have used it to their advantage. Many advertisements and campaigns have had great success by using this simple trick or combining something old with something new. Creating something that evokes a feeling of nostalgia and connecting that with something new and exciting is always going to help people pull out their wallets and give you their hard-earned cash. A prime example of this is Pokemon Go, an augmented reality game that made a major wave upon the release in 2016. It basically took nostalgia, so what we experienced as kids, me included, and made it new and exciting for the current day. To say it was popular would be a serious understatement. It was kind of like a cultural phenomenon at the time. The app itself was essentially free, however there were in-app purchases available. This just shows that people will pay to have that feeling of nostalgia. Listen, we all love it and we all know why, right? It takes us back to our childhood, and that is somewhere where, it was a pretty good time, to say the least. Advertisers use this technique so much. They want us to feel comfortable and evoke emotion in us. So what better way to do that than to connect what they are trying to sell us with our past experiences that we are already familiar with. We love to reminisce about the old days massively, and ads that can connect what they're trying to sell with how we feel about our past and what we've been through and experienced already is more likely to be successful. If you want more incredible neuromarketing tips and tricks that you can use to, grow your brand and get more business, then feel free to click the link in the description where you can literally get 29 more of these incredible methods to help you grow your business and take it to the next level. You can start a 30-day free trial right now, which gives you instant access into not only that, but also the most powerful strategic branding program on the entire planet. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you like it, and I will see you again in the next video. Take care, guys.